Welcome to Creating the Supply Chain of Tomorrow. Another week, another corner. A warm welcome to our Robot and Welding demo room here in our Customer Experience Center in Munich. Just weld it, as it can be seen behind me, is the overall slogan. Especially these days, with a shortage of skilled human labor and demand issues, the robot and welding systems are in high demand in the general and the automotive industry. So let's have a closer look.
Here visitors can get close up to and even test the range of systems from Panasonic factory solutions, from the tower arch welding robot system in the range of MIG, MAG, and de-seated welding process, welding cells and software, as well as the Lapis laser welding technology. One of the great advantages of the Panasonic approach is that it provides complete system solutions, all from one manufacturer, from the controller, robot and integrated welding power source, spare parts, and welder. This total approach means peace of mind for the customer, no one blaming another part supplier when something goes wrong, and ensures fast and effective installation, training, and maintenance.
Well, that was a very nice first overview. Let's have a closer look at Taurus next time. And as always, please reach out to us if you like to get the real feel in-person experience.